Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you all how to do a single crochet. So make your slip knot, take that back loop, bring it over the front loop, take that front loop and bring it back over the back loop, and there you have your slip knot. Tighten it up. Now we're going to go ahead and take our hook, insert it into the yarn, and tighten the yarn up around the hook. We're going to do a chain of 10, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, 6, chain 7, chain 8, 9, and chain 10. So here's our chain. We're not going to go into the first stitch from the hook. We're going to go into the second stitch from the hook. We're going to insert our hook into the yarn. We're going to go ahead and bring up the yarn and we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to bring the yarn over the hook and pull through both loops, and that's your first single crochet. We're going to go inside the yarn again. We're going to pull up a loop. We have 2 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over. We're going to pull through both loops, and we are on our second single crochet. Insert your hook into the yarn, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Now we're on our third single crochet. It's that easy and simple. Insert your work, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on the hook, pull through both loops, and there's your single crochet. Again, insert your work, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both, there's a single crochet. Again, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert your work, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, and there you have it. You see, very, very easy and simple stitch. Very easy. Yarn over, pull through both loops, and there you have it. Practice makes perfect. I think that this is the easiest stitch to do. I'm getting so into it that I came out of camera for a second. I apologize about that. But again, here's your single crochet. Very easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.